current carrying capacity, voltage, system voltage, permissible voltage drop, it is again important parameter. Permissible voltage drop means it is associated with the length of cable, keep in mind. So, voltage drop at far end of the cable or far end consumer should not more than plus minus 6% of rated voltage. Permissible voltage should such that voltage drop should such that it is within permissible limit, and especially the resistance of cable is playing important role. This is nothing but I into R drop, means current flowing through the cable and resistance of the cable. So every conductor or every cable in the table, it is mentioned with the resistance per kilometer run of the conductor. So you can consider that value and you can multiply by length of the conductor and you will get the resistance of the total cable. You will multiply by current, you know the current, so you can calculate the voltage drop, and this voltage drop you may calculate the percentage of this drop, which is equal, you will compare with the rated voltage. This percentage should not more than plus or minus 6% that of rated voltage. The permissible voltage drop you should have take care as per IS. Then short circuit rating, it is also important factor because of there are chances of getting short circuit between two conductors inside the cable. So cable must be capable of withstanding the stress that is produced. Now here stress is especially the electrical stress. Electrical stress, that is means potential difference between the two conductors. So this pressure is applied in terms of voltage in between the two conductors, and the insulation between the two conductors should self-sufficient that it will not produce high level of stress and there will not leakage current in between. So this is actually low voltage cable, it is not a serious problem, but for high voltage cable it is very serious problem, and therefore we are going for inserting the pressure, oil pressure or sepsis gas pressure. So such type of cables we are manufacturing. So especially the short circuit rating is directly associated with the very high voltage cables, 22 kV cables, 66 kV cables, 11 kV cables. You have to take care of this. Then we know many parameters are associated with some properties are required to develop inside the cable because of the handling of the cable. So we must know the handling of the cable, so laying of the cable. So cable laying methods are there. Cable laying, that you have to follow the shortest route, short route. You must have the cable that is to be underground. Then you must have soil that particular where you are laying the cable tested. Many times कुणाचा तरी microphone on आहे. Many times you may have check your microphones. Either it is mute, yes or no. I am getting the disturbance. So soil may contains the chemicals and they may cause the deterioration of cable. So you have to check the soil, test the soil. You must check from where you are laying the cable. It is not, the land is not containing the moisture. Then if it is a soft or it is hard, whatever the route you have to check carefully. Once you have decided the route, then you may think any method of laying the cable. So normally there are certain steps in the laying, cable laying. So selection of proper route once you have done, then you have to plan your work. Then you have to trench, develop the trench, that is digging work, develop a channel. Then you have to unwind the cable. Cables are coming with wounded form. Drums are there, so unwound the cable. Then you may do actual laying of the cable by taking the proper precautions on crossing and then maintenance of the cable. So these are the major steps that you have. You have to think about the cable joints, cable boxes, connections, You have to give the attention to all these jobs. Actually, these jobs are very skill-based jobs, so skilled persons that could be there for doing such work. Okay, so you may have cable laying, direct laying, you may have through troughs, you may have pipe ducts or all. Okay. So direct laying, particularly the diagram it is shown. Are you able to see this diagram? So you have this trench below ground. Distance is from ground 1.5 meter. फार कमी distance नको है. So it is also defined in the standard 1.5 meter deep. 0.5 meter width based on your requirement. Okay. The soil it is taken out. Then you will have a layer of sand below. एक खाली जे इथे हे जे layer दिले, you have a layer of sand that is provided 10 centimeter round. You have to put a layer of sand, spread the layer of sand at bottom of the trench of the cable. Okay. Then you develop a sand belt carefully. Again, you will have the cable properly. You lay the cable properly. Okay. Then again you will have layer of sand. Okay, that you have proper layer. Now this care is to be taken very. You have to carefully lay the cable centrally. Center portion hai. Then fill up with sand. Then again you will have layer of sand. Okay, so like this. Again you do this. Then you will have bricks, layer of bricks that you put carefully, because of normally this is a protecting layer for the cable. Among length of cable you can put the remaining portion, then you may put soil, like loose soil, then you will have trench and all this. Fill up this trench entirely with loose soil with remaining portion of the cable. So this is a particular process. Particularly the brisk layer is very important. Mechanically it protects the cable. Then try to avoid, जर काही पॉसिबिलिटी असेल मॉइश्चर तिथे कुठेतरी पाणी जाण्याची शक्यता असेल तर दॅट यू मे अवॉइड दिस. ओके. इफ जरी मॉइश्चर समजा गेलं तरी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सॅन्ड लेयर्स the moisture or water that may almost drain away. So normally it protects from moisture of particularly the cable, and these are providing protection from the what we can say mechanical damages. This is very simple, directly very less time required, less cost, gives best condition for heat dissipation. हे जे sand bin जे आहे that is heat dissipation सुद्धा provide करता है. It is clean and safe. Some disadvantages: load extension not possible, maintenance cost is more. सगळं तुम्हाला करायला लागेल. जर काही प्रॉब्लेम आला तर सगळं उलट करायला लागेल. Alteration in the route, tedious, fault location difficult, not suitable in dense and populated areas. So like this. So another that is using throws. So these particularly you are having these throws may be made up of cement, concrete or stoneware. असं तुम्ही एकदा once you have strength, this through it is made. हे जे through आहे त्याच्यात it is you may have cement concrete provision this, and this entire whole it is developed. So, okay. It is shown in this particular figure. So this is particular route for the cable. So after doing this, you can lay down the cable through this. This is cable through. This is bituminous compound or maybe cement concrete block. Then other you may have loose soil, sand, etc. all outside. You may fill up the strands. So this special provision it is done for the cable. Okay. So bituminous compound that is covered the strands and then it is filled with the soil. So a special provision it is done, which is costly than that of above, but this method is having advantage, best mechanical protection. इन अर्लियर केस वी आर हॅव्हिंग जस्ट ब्रिक्स. इथे फक्त आपण वर विटा ठेवतो. इथे हा पूर्ण तुम्ही सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीटचा चॅनल तयार करून घेतलेला थ्रू इथे एक डक्ट ठेवलेले आहे त्याच्यात तुम्ही किंवा बेस्ट यू मे हॅव मेकॅनिकल प्रोटेक्शन. corrosion and chemical reactions are not possible. Drawbacks: more expensive, skilled labor is required, drawing of cable is difficult, good weather condition it is required. Dissipation of heat compared to, इकडे तुम्हाला dissipation of heat ला भरपूर स्कोप आहे because of you are having the sand layers. Are you with me? तुम्हाला समजतंय का मी काय बोलतोय? इथे sand layer, this is a sand layer provided, so dissipation of heat is more here. इथे मात्र जरा कॉम्पॅक्ट झाल्यामुळे डिसिपेशन ऑफ हीट इज नॉट देअर, सो दॅट मे बी देअर. ऑल्सो करंट कॅरिंग कपॅसिटी तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, डिसिपेशन ऑफ हीट जर नसेल तर करंट कॅरिंग कपॅसिटी डिक्रीजेस अँड साईज ऑफ केबल इन्क्रीजेस. देन थर्ड मेथड इज ड्रॉइंग इन टू द पाईप्स ऑर डक्ट्स. अशा पाईप्स किंवा डक्ट्स प्रोव्हाइड केल्या. दिस पर्टिक्युलर फिगर इट इज शोइंग टू यू. सो डक्ट्स आर प्रोव्हाइडेड फॉर द केबल. सो दिस इज कॉन्क्रीट कवरिंग. So this structure, the pipes are of stoneware, fiber, steel, rough iron. Ducts may be made. म्हणजे कशाचे असतील? Cement, concrete pipes or ducts are laid inside the ground with manholes. म्हणजे जसं आपण ड्रेनेज सिस्टीम स्पेशल तयार करतो like that. Suitable you may have particularly the opening for these particular ducts at suitable position. You can have along the root of the cable. The cables are pulled into the position from manholes. जसं आपण कन्सिल वायरिंग करतो तशाच प्रकारे you may have 4-way underground duct. म्हणजे इथे चार केबल्स तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये टाकू शकता. The distance between two manhole must be appropriate so that pulling of the cable. हे सगळं तुम्हाला दोन manhole मधलं डिस्टन्स एवढं असावं की तुम्ही यू कॅन इझिली पुल आउट द केबल्स. कारण तुम्हाला केबल्स त्याच्यातनं पुल करायच्या. केबल्स नीड नॉट टू बी आर्मोर्ड. कारण तुम्ही एकदा ह्या डक्ट मध्ये केबल टाकलं की त्याच्यामध्ये सफिशियंट गुड सर्विंग इज देअर. मग त्यानंतर त्याच्यावर मेकॅनिकल जास्त येण्याची गरज नाहीये. आर्मोरिंग नसलं तरी चालतं, पण हँडलिंगसाठी आर्मोरिंगची गरज असते. जर केबल बेंड झाली तर केबल मे गेट ब्रेक. इफ आर्मोरिंग इज देअर डेफिनेटली इट हेल्प्स इन protection of the cable. Advantages: strong mechanical protection, channels, chances of faults rare, non-armored cables are there, so jointing is easy without opening of the ground. The repairs, replacement it is possible. कारण इथे तुम्ही त्याला प्रोव्हिजन केली आहे मॅनहोल्सने. मॅनहोल्सच्या सहाय्याने यू कॅन रिमूव्ह द फॉल्टी केबल्स. वरच्या दोन केसमध्ये ह्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला मॅन होल्स आपण प्रोव्हाइड करत नाहीये, इथेही करत नाहीये. म्हणजे तुम्हाला यू हॅव टू थ्रूआउट द डग द चॅनल वन्स अगेन, सी द फॉल्टी पार्ट, रिमूव्ह दॅट फॉल्टी पार्ट, अगेन रिप्लेस द केबल, अगेन यू हॅव टू डू एव्हरीथिंग. इथे मात्र तसं नाहीये. यू कॅन डायरेक्टली टेक अवे द केबल थ्रू मॅन होल्स अँड यू कॅन रिप्लेस द केबल. ओके. Initial cost is very high. Heat dissipation is poor, size of cable is more, and it is suitable for particularly dense populated area. सगळ्याच ठिकाणी it is not suitable. Okay. Then you are having some methods of jointing the cables. Any doubt?